Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've had a couple of messages over the last months, but I got one today also about the Mail app in Windows 10. And one of the most common questions about the Mail app that I get is a lot of people are wondering if Microsoft will update the Mail app to make it even better. So for a long time, the Mail app got updates and new features and changes, and it was the main email app that you could have in Windows 10. So a lot of people use it. I have the email that is my general email account for my Windows account here because it installs that by default when you log in to Microsoft accounts. I don't use it really because it's not that I don't like it, but it's I prefer going on the web-based mail of Gmail and the different accounts that I have. Now, this app, even though it still gets some few updates and stuff, is not going to be updated much, honestly. It comes also with the calendar app that you can have here, as you see. I mean, it's not that they're that bad, but they do need improvements, and there was a lot of people that noticed that some of the emails are not showing up right, and of course there are some people that just want to have more possibilities and a better looking app for email. It's sad because when you think about it, Outlook Express way in the past was a great email. Then we had Windows Live Mail. That was actually very good also. But things went pretty much down the drain starting from there. And Microsoft has been having a hard time creating actually a really good email client when they actually already had one. So it's kind of, weird and stupid sometimes the way they work. So as for updates or major changes to the Mail app, I don't think that's going to happen. And there's one reason why. There's going to be a Outlook app coming. We know that it's coming, and it's probably coming to Windows 10 also. The Outlook app is meant to officially eventually replace the Mail app here. Now, will they be still side by side, or Outlook will actually totally replace it? I think it's going to be side by side, so you'll still have a choice. But definitely all the energy is now put into that new Outlook email rather than being focused to the Mail app in Windows 10. So this is definitely something that will be coming for Windows 10 and 11, because Windows 11 does share the same Mail app. We have the same Mail app in both versions of Windows right now. And so both versions of Windows 10 and 11 will be getting the new Outlook app later this year. When, we don't know. It's still in beta. You can't really officially have it yet. And if you do get it, it still doesn't really work well. It's something that's still a work in progress, but it will eventually show up, apparently through the Microsoft Store for us. And of course, as we get more details and when the app gets tested and released officially, we're going to talk about it. We're going to show you the app and use it a little bit. But that's why don't expect much of the Mail app now in Windows 10 and 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.